Hi, my name is Travis Torme and I'm a criminal defense lawyer in New Jersey. This video is about my specific strategies for fighting restraining orders in court. In order for a restraining order to issue, they must prove three elements. As a defense lawyer, I only have to disprove any one of these three elements and the restraining order should not issue. This is the second element, which is a prior history of domestic violence. This means that if this is just one incident between the parties that recently occurred and the alleged victim is unable to show that there were any other prior incidents between these two people, then there's not sufficient evidence to indicate that a restraining order is necessary. Let me give you an example. Past history of domestic violence means prior phone calls to the police, prior 911 calls, prior police reports, prior emails between the parties alleging something bad happened between them in the past. Or witnesses, if the alleged victim's mother can come in and say, yeah, 6 years ago this happened, or another witness, a best friend, they have to establish a prior history of domestic violence. They can't just all of a sudden come into court and say, oh, yeah, I've been abused for 10 years, but I don't have any evidence of it. They can say that, but the judge has to determine whether or not that's credible. If there was really a past history of domestic violence, wouldn't it be documented? Wouldn't there be police reports? Wouldn't there be trips to the hospital for injuries? Wouldn't there be neighbors calling the police? It's not very believable if all of a sudden this domestic violence history pops up. As a result, if I can cast doubt on this second element and show that there's not a past history of domestic violence, the restraining order should be dismissed. If you'd like to see the other two ways that I fight against restraining orders, you can click the links below. You can also visit my website. It's www.criminallawyerinnj. My contact information is there. You can email me, call me. I'm happy to give you a free initial consultation on your case.